This song is Allah Thala Thala. Allah is the way it arose. Thala is the way it is expressed in words. In a pure land, rich with turquoise leaves, on a throne of brilliant white shell, is the deity of long life, the Mother Lady Tara. I prayed to her from the depths of my heart. May there be no obstacles to long life. If you do not recognize this place, it is the Retreat House of Palpung. If you do not recognize a person like me, there is the upper valley of delightful Shukra and the lower valley of delightful Shukra. In the place between the two Shukras is a child who descends from Tshazhang Denma. If you call him by name, it is Thubten Gelek. Not now, but on a distant tomorrow, it will be decided. Both the vulture and I know where to go. The vulture soars into the expanse of the sky. Our people do not stay, but go to India. In the springtime, a cuckoo comes as a guest. In the fall, when the harvest ripens, it knows where to go. Its only thought is to travel to the east of India. Rangjung Rinpoche, age 17, 1941.